hapus, ond sa'i gallu ffeindio beth dwi moyn, fel beth yw'r emotions fi heddiw. Dwi'n really nervous.
Right, we're in CFK gym fight night 6, combat fight night 6. We're in Carmarthen in the St Peter's Civic Hall in Carmarthen, middle of town centre.
Fy enw yw Maisie, rydw i'n 10 mlwydd oed a rydw i'n gwneud kickboxing yn CFK. Ydw, fi wedi bod yn treino am spel nawr.
Well, I mean, what CFK is about is developing young fighters through a sport which offers them discipline and control, and you know, gets them in the ring and gets them actively using the sport that they train for.
My name's Callum Dono. I'm here today doing a boxing fight, fighting 50 kilos. Nervous about it, but I get over it, go in the ring, give everything I got. If I come out with a loss, I come out for a loss, but I'm here to win today, to show CFK proud, everyone proud, so let's get it done. So today I was doing a boxing fight. I went in, came out with a win, and shouted out by Jeff and Dale Evans and Kian. I'm really grateful for them, so thank you.
Rydw i wedi ennill! Fi'n teimlo more energetic than usual, achos rwy'n really hapus a sa'n gwybod lot i'w gweud. Oedd yr peth gorau oedd yn wneud pawb yn hapus a bod fi wedi wneud Jeff yn hapus a Steve a Wesley a Callum yn hapus iawn.